If you run a parish building, a church building, an institution building, and you're having to do a capital needs assessment, what is that process like? I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. And we want to walk you through what the capital needs assessment process is for a church or an institution, maybe a school, maybe a set of parish buildings that you're trying to get funding on. First of all, you're going to look for the right contractor. You're going to hire the right firm to do those assessments. They're going to set up inspections, assessments, document requests, interviews. They're going to deliver you a report. You're going to show it to your board or whoever your stakeholders are, and then you're going to raise money behind it. Finally, you're going to hire renovation contractors to complete those repairs, which you may also want inspected. But start to finish, it's going to involve scoping out the job, doing the job, reviewing it, and then doing the renovations. So there's really 4 steps to that process. Check us out on WBTC3. Work with churches and institutions and schools all over the country. Thanks again.